Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you about how to view and cancel your sent follow request on your Instagram. Yes, let's get straight to the point. Open your mobile web browser, then search for Instagram. Go to the Instagram login page. Enter your username and password, which I have already done it in another tab. Log into your account. Go to your profile. On top left corner, you will find the settings tab. Just tap it. Under account section, go to the privacy and security. Here you will find account privacy, account status, story sharing, comments, photos of you, and account data. Under account data, view account data. This is where you will find the entire account data of you on Instagram. Profile info, connections. Connections, this is where you will find your pending follow request. Under current follow request, tap the view all. Currently I have only one pending follow request. Just copy the username, then search it on the Explore tab. This is the account I have requested. Just click to cancel it. That's it guys. If you want me to do any other troubleshooting topic, just comment below, and please do like and subscribe and share it with your friends. And if you have any other doubts and queries, you can also direct message me on my Instagram account. Thank you for watching. Have a great day guys.